Hey guys, this is Emily Lopez, and today I am going to show you how to disconnect a shark bite. A shark bite is a press-on plumbing connection. You can use them on copper, you can use them on PEX pipe. What I have used them for is when I demoed this bathroom, I used some of their end caps until I was ready to relocate my plumbing. So today I'm just going to take these off. I have the water turned off. This is the basement, so there's still going to be a little bit of water in this line that's going to run off, I would assume, when I disconnect that cap. So PEX has, or shark bite, sorry, has these little, it's like a little C or U or whatever, and they are orange and they are measured by size. So this is for a 1/2 inch pipe. So basically what you're gonna do is just slide it right around the piece that sticks over the pipe sticking out and compress that in. I'm gonna zoom in and show you how to do it. The other thing I've seen they have now is almost like a tong, and it's two-sided, and it kind of does the same thing. I've also seen people take these off with a crescent wrench. The important thing is you don't wanna squish your pipe, you're just trying to compress in that little plastic piece that sticks out. So I'll zoom in so you can see it closer as I do it. I'm going to take my tool and just push it onto my pipe. And what I'm trying to compress in is this little plastic piece that's sticking out into the cap, and then it should just pull off. Just like that. Say that you're in a bind and you don't have one of these disconnect tools. The other thing you can do is take your crescent wrench, and you can put it down to size. Now keep in mind, you are not trying to tighten anything on the pipe in any way. You're just trying to push on this little, let me show you a disconnected one. You're just pushing this back in to remove this and pull away. So we're not putting this tight on the pipe. We're just getting to the size to be able to get the edges of that cap. So we're just gonna get it on there and push them in and pull straight off. So if you have to get one of these off and you don't have the tool, you can also use a crescent wrench. I just want to show you that if you were working with PEX, it would be the exact same way. The previous video section was a copper removal of the cap. So if you're using PEX, you use your little disconnect piece. Same thing, you just pushing up against those and it just slides right off. Just like on the copper, if you don't have the disconnect tool, you can take a crescent wrench and you can tighten it to we want it to be tight enough just before that piece where it will push this. So we get it right to that right tightness and you can pull right off. So I can't tell you before I knew this how many times I'd go to the store to get these when I had capped off water lines when I was demoing, and I could have just done it with a crescent wrench. So if you're in a bind, you can get them off with these. If you're still here, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please give it a thumbs up. And you can also go follow me on Instagram at emily.a.lopez, where you get to see some cameos by my sweet little baby girl Athena too. So thanks for checking this video out. Have a great day. Bye.